Hi you guys, I just wanted to come out here and show you guys my garden and how it's progressing. I just did a little tagging to make sure I know what's growing in each pot in each area. But I wanted to show you guys how everything is coming along. So I'm going to start right here. This is my cilantro. It's time for me to harvest it. It's been over 55 or 60 days. And I'm going ahead and harvest this on tomorrow. And I want to show you guys my watermelon plants. I did put some more watermelon seeds down today, but this is how the watermelon plant is going so far. And as you can see, it's growing. So I had to put some more parts of the fence up there so it can grow up and not out. Now over here are flowers. I had them on the front porch at first, but I've learned that when you put certain flowers like marigold flowers, they tend to help everything grow. The bees will pollinate the flowers and pass them on to the fruit or vegetable that I'm trying to grow. Now, my friend, she gave me this plant right here. She gave it to me in a cup of water, and I planted it in this pot. And she says that it really expands. You can break it off and grow more. I don't know the name of it. But this is one of the flowers that I planted. It's growing pretty well. It should bloom probably about the middle of July. Now this one right here is my broccoli plant. Now I don't know what's been eating on it, but I actually grew this broccoli plant from a broccoli stalk. Now it doesn't have broccoli on it yet, it's just the broccoli leaves. And that's one of the flowers that will be blooming pretty soon, along with that one over there. Now, I want to show you guys this pot right here. I planted some corn this morning. And I planted popcorn seeds. You know the popcorn seeds that's left over when you microwave the popcorn. I planted those seeds, and we will see how that grows. It's amazing how you can grow things from seeds. Now, right here are bell pepper seeds in here, rosemary in here, oregano in here, mint in here, and lavender over there. Now right here, I planted some carrots, and I did plant a few in the front of the pot as well. Over here, I planted some eggplant seeds. Now I don't know how they're going to grow, but I did plant eggplant seeds last year, and I harvested one eggplant. Now this is where I planted the papaya seeds that come out of the papaya. Now I don't know how it's gonna grow. I think that I have to separate these right here, and maybe it will grow a little better. Basil. I have to look at the time frame to see when I should harvest this, but I think it's been like 30 to 40 days. And right here, I planted some beets. I'm sorry. And I pulled one up, and the beet is small. The one that I pulled up, the beet is very small. So I'm gonna give it time enough to grow a little bigger. So I pray over my garden, you guys, every morning when I water. You know, you water your plants early in the morning, like you drink water early in the morning. It's best not to water when it's like beaming sun outside unless you see your plants drooping. But if you water them in the morning time for maybe about 10 or 15 minutes, then they shouldn't droop throughout the day. So I pray for a good harvest this year, you guys, and I hope that you have started your garden as well. And you know that the fruits and vegetables that we eat, they be done sprayed something on it. So that's the purpose of cleaning it off with the baking soda and stuff and water. But just imagine eating your own fruits and vegetables and herbs that you've grown, and it tastes much better if it comes from your garden. Baby, we gotta eat around here. And one thing I'm gonna do is eat. I encourage you guys to start your garden. It's another way of feeding your family sooner or later. This might be the only way, so why not get started and let's eat.